on this little back road thinking, there's no one near me at all. I can start doing some silly audio recording, and then that's when cars start popping up everywhere. Hey, he's not frigging around. Righto. Yeah, so on my way to Ballarat. Ballarat is the purpose of the story. Catch up with my brothers for the night and a bit of maintenance on the bike. Slipping. My brother's going to be upset with me if I completely muddy the bike up before I get him to service it. Righto. Just jumped off the main road near Castlemaine and about to head into the gold diggings district or area or something. Looks promising. Let's do this for a few minutes. See what's up. See if I'm following the right track first. I don't think I'm meant to go in. I'm meant to follow the road a bit. Stuff it. Let's see how this goes. I'll know in a minute if I've gone the wrong way. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Well, now I came this way because this looked like the main track. The track down here that I'm apparently meant to follow just looks a little rougher. So it could be even more fun than I'm expecting. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, way, hills and shit. No one said there was going to be hills and shit. Oh, that's not bad. Alright, so straight into it. That's good. Fun. Good job. Well done. Right, is there a truck over there? God, well, that's interesting. Let's do it. Oh yeah, apparently this is it. Oh. Wow. I'm just going to have to take my time here. She's rough as. Like you think it's a nice big open flat dirt road, but it's got its holes. It's got its dents. Like that big friggin' hole. And all these big friggin' holes. Oh God, look at it. Hey, step it out. Nice. Why? Because I can. Let's bang around with Mr. Anderson.
Take off.
Good job, big man. Let's send you up and see where we are. Whoop.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
It's pooping its pants. There's a fly attacking you. Did you know that? Okay. Well, we're done. Well, made it into the big city. Here we are.
Rocking away with a wrench in hand, ball on the floor, all part of the plan. Honda Transalp up on the stand, it's hot one thing, he knows the man. That beard is mean, that jawline rough, steel in his eyes, he don't bluff. Facial hair thick like a hard road map, one turn of the tool and he cracks that snap. He leans in close, he sets it right, rear wheel turning in the shop light. Every scar on him says all in, and he smiles like trouble with a dirty.
You're obviously looking after the chain.
Roll it on back, new rear tire on the Honda Transalp. Rock, rock, hands stay strong, be it so tough he don't take long. Rock, rock, said it true, one more mile.
As you bring it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that didn't take
2
long
seconds.
at all. Ooh, ready. Ooh, let's have a look.
No
So
dust.
obviously I'm not riding it in enough dust.
You're just the leader of the pack.
Let's have a look inside. Ooh,
See? Bad dust?
bad dust.
Bad dust. Oh, it's over. It's a little groove there.
Yeah, it's done its job.
Done his job.
You're gonna bang it, bang the dust out. Nice. Why? Why is that a bad thing to have in your engine? As if we don't know.
Dust bag.
So you keep working on my bike. And I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy myself. This is my first time using a selfie stick too, by the way.
Roll it on back, new rear tire on the Honda Transalp. Rock, hands stay strong, be it so tough he don't take long. Rock, said it true, one more mile and the road's brand new. And the road's brand new.
get out of the showroom. There's too many bikes I want to buy in there.